Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Shuga, of course, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you the different ways that you can identify between the fake and the original Stone Fade Milk body lotion and even their body creams. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about not just the lotion that comes in the long bottle, but I'm also going to be talking about the cream itself that comes in a cup. And now, of course, if that is exactly why you clicked on this video to watch it, then stay locked. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. Click on the thanks and join button to be an exclusive member of this channel, of course. To get special perks like one-on-one consultations concerning any of your skincare concern or skincare product, you also be getting individual shout out and even shout out for your business if you're a business or a brand. So my love, click on that thanks and join button immediately. And of course, without much further ado, let's go straight into that video, honey. Now, the differences are not very much, just like the similarities, because there are things that you can actually pass by or overlook if you do not pay attention. Now, one way, of course, to spot your original Stone body lotion is to look at the pack itself, the color of that pack, okay, that carton that the body lotion comes in, right? Or even the cup itself. If you look at the body of that plastic cup that the cream comes in, whether the cup or the lotion, the color of the original one is dark brown or wants to give this like maroon color, this maroon red color. Okay, of course I'm going to be leaving a picture here for better illustration, okay, for you to understand the differences I'm pointing out. You can clearly see that there's a difference. The one with a lighter brown color is the fake. Same thing on the cup. The one with the lighter brown color is the fake Stone body lotion or body cream. Next thing you want to do is to turn that pack of your Stone body lotion or cream to the back. Okay, now when you turn to the back and you look right below at the bottom where the name of the company in MP grandeur is written, you're going to notice that on one, the name of the company in grandeur is written on a white background. Okay, like there's a rectangular white background as you can see from the pictures here, and then the name of the company is written on it. You will also find the logo of the company written just before the name. Okay, the logo comes first, followed by the name. But on the fake, the name of the company and even the logo is written on just the pack itself. Okay, on that light brown carton, that is where the name is written. On the original one, it is written on a rectangular white background. So now let's quickly go back to the cup, okay, because this specific difference is more prevalent, okay, or is what you find in the cup variant of the Bronze Toner body lotion, right? Now, when you buy the body cream in this cup form, okay, and you open the cover, the next thing that you're supposed to see is a seal that carries the logo of the company around it, a white seal that has the logo, okay, I think sky blue, that's the color of the logo, sky blue on it. While on the fake one, once you unscrew the cover or the cap of the body cream and you open it, what you're going to be seeing immediately like is the cream, okay, is the cream that you want to apply. The one with the seal, of course, like I already said, is the original, while the one without a seal is the fake. And last but not the least, of course, to identify the fake from the original Stone body lotion, you want to look at that place where the logo and the name of the company is written. But this time we're going to be paying attention to the logo of the company. Right now, that logo comes in the color sky blue. Now on the original, okay, of course, that one that comes with the white rectangular background, the logo is imprinted right there before the name of the company in color sky blue, while on the fake the logo is imprinted on the carton in color brown and is even written right there on the plain background like I already explained earlier. And that, of course, my love, brings more to the end of this video. Are there other skincare products, maybe the ones you've used in the past or the ones you intend to use, that you would like to spot the difference between the fake and the original? Drop them in the comment section below and I will be making a video right away addressing it, pointing out the differences between the fakes and the original of those products immediately. And of course, thank you once again for watching this video till the end. If you found it helpful, please like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, share out this video, and most importantly, click on that thanks and join button to be an exclusive member of this family. Until I come your way next time in my very next beauty video. Catch up on my other videos, and of course, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.